Ever looked at your old garden items and wondered if there's more to them than just their conventional use? Today, we're exploring the top 5 ways to repurpose garden items. Stay tuned as we dive into 5 creative and practical ways to breathe new life into your old garden items. First up, transform your old bird bath into a charming planter. Start by cleaning the bird bath, then add potting soil and your favorite plants. This dual-purpose creation not only enhances your garden's beauty, but also attracts nature's feathered friends. A bird bath planter, a simple yet stunning way to repurpose your old garden item. Next, consider turning your old ladder into a decorative and functional garden shelf. It's a versatile idea that can showcase potted plants, house garden tools, or even hang bird feeders. A ladder shelf, a practical and decorative way to reuse your old garden item. How about turning that old wheelbarrow into a unique fire pit? It's quite simple. This creative upcycle not only adds a rustic charm to your garden, but also creates a cozy spot for gatherings. A wheelbarrow fire pit, a cozy and unique way to repurpose your old garden item. Ever thought of converting your old pallets into a handy compost bin? It's simple, really. Just stack your pallets, secure them together, and voila! You're reducing waste and enriching your garden soil. A pallet compost bin, an eco-friendly way to reuse your old garden item. Last but not least, why not repurpose an old tire into a garden bed? By painting it a vibrant hue, it can become a charming, space-efficient planting spot. Plus, it adds a delightful pop of color to your garden. A tire garden bed, a fun and space-saving way to repurpose your old garden item. As you can see, there are countless ways to repurpose your old garden items. From transforming a bird bath into a planter, to creating a fire pit from a wheelbarrow, the opportunities are endless. Try these ideas and give your garden a fresh look. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.